Hi guys, Angela here, and I'm doing this video. It's personal, it's mine, and it's about my little boy that I had. I had him on November 4th, a long time ago, okay? He's not a baby no more, but he's still a baby dear to my heart. His birthday is on November 4th, my little son that I had. I named him Isaiah. That was his name that I gave my little boy. And he was beautiful. He looked like a Barbie doll. Like a dang doll. Because he didn't cry. He didn't do anything. He was beautiful when I had him. And he was a boy, and he was a big baby boy. That's all I can say. And I named him Isaiah. And I gave him up for adoption because I was way young when I had him. And I was in just foster care. I was in home to home and everything. It was just I was not in a good situation at the time. And his birthday is November 4th, and I miss him every day, and I love him dearly and always. And I just want to say, I'm my son's real mother. To the family who has my little boy that could not have kids, if you guys watch YouTube or do anything on internet or anything, I'm his real mother. I'm Angela Jolly. I had my son Isaiah. Okay? And the family who has my son knows my name. They would know who I am. And they have my son. And for my son Isaiah that I had, and they changed his name, which I don't appreciate. I wish they would have left his name alone. But for my son Isaiah, to the family who has him, thank you for loving him, taking care of him, and just being good parents to him. And most of all, for my son, I'm your real mom. And I love you. And I hope you find me one day. And when you do, I'm here for you, to love you to the end of time. I'm serious. But, oh, my hand gets tired holding this phone. And we've been trying and trying for kids, for babies, me and my husband. But no luck so far. Just no luck. But we're going to keep trying. It takes time, and it's alright. And I would love a reborn baby from anybody. There's people on YouTube who know what reborn silicone babies are. Okay? I would love to have a reborn silicone baby boy. If there's anyone out there that knows what I'm talking about, please help me out with one. Please. I love my son dearly, and I'm trying to have babies, but to have a fake baby in my home would be good too. And for everybody that's moms and knows about having kids and stuff, it's beautiful. It's a gift from God. It really is. But I love my son Isaiah. And his birthday is on November 4th. And I love him dearly, and I miss him with all my heart. So for my little boy out there that's getting older, I love you, and I hope you can find me one day, because I'll be waiting for you. And I love you from the bottom of my heart. Just please, somebody, dedicate a reborn baby to me and send it to my address, and I will love it forever and always. Just anybody who has a good heart and understands me, it will be special to me. And this is real. For my son Isaiah, I love you. I love you forever and always. Bye, guys.